Hey guys, welcome to my room. Then today we're moving in. So this is my room. And also, don't tell anybody else. Well, probably look at a lot of you. Not probably, but I have a secret room over here.
Yeah, but they needs to fix that one.
Yeah, we still need to fix it, so you can't really see inside it yet.
And then let's go to Sophia's room.
Okay, so Sophia has a very big room.
So this is Sophia's room, guys. Ayan.
That space over there, she has a lot of space. If you see my room over there,
no, you have space.
No, I mean she has bigger space because these shelves are here and you can't take them out unless you cut them.
Yeah. So again, this one is Sophia's room. Ayan. Ayan. May closet dito si Sophia.
Yeah, that's Sophia's closet.
At saka may secret room din doon.
Sophia has an actual closet, well I don't have an actual closet.
So punta tayo sa baba, guys. Ayan. Dito. Punta tayo dito. Ayan, guys. Puntahan natin dito. Ayan. Ito ay
Oh yeah, also we left home very early, so I most likely will not be late for school.
What is this? Okay. Ayan, guys. Dito, guys, ay pagpasok natin, ito ay living room. May foyer tayo doon sa pag entrance, pero hindi muna ko ipakita kasi makalat. Yung living room ito ay yan, paakyat, doon ay paakyat yan. Ayan. Sorry guys, nilagyan ko ito ng ganito kasi guys, para hindi mag-scratch yung floor. Ayan. Tapos dito ay bedroom. Ayan. Ito ay ang bedroom. Ayan. Ito ay ang bedroom, di ba? Maliit lang siya na bahay, guys. May closet doon. At may closet dito, ay may closet doon. Ayan. So, ilagay natin si Mama Mary doon sa doon. Para doon siya nakabantay sa atin. So, yan. Doon sa ano pa, guys. Tapos, punta tayo sa kusina. Ayan, ang kusina. Ayan. Ito yung stove. Ito guys, hindi ko pa binalik yung dyan, basta. Tapos yung ref nandoon. Makalat pa guys, ito guys ay hindi ito ang formal dining table namin. Yan ay pansamantala dyan. Pag kami kumakain quickly, dito namin ilagay. Diba? Ayan. So, tapos ito yung bathroom dito. Yung bathroom, ayan. Full bath ito, pero hindi ko pa nalinisan yung tub. At ito yung sink, ayan. May closet din. Yung isa doon. Tapos, ayan lang guys. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos dito ang paakyat. Ayan, paakyat doon. So, let's go guys.